Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So I have recently bought this brand new JBL CSLM20 lavalier microphone for my YouTube videos, and this particular video is all about an honest review of this product. So if you are a new YouTuber like me and is exploring for a budget option for a good mic, I think this video is going to be quite useful for you. Watch out. So I already have opened the box, but for your understanding I am going to stage the unboxing once again in this video. The packaging from JBL has been quite crisp, as you can see. So if I open this box and explore what they are offering within the package, let's see what we can find. I'll pick out items one by one. So first I get this small cute pouch. I think the microphone is inside this only. So let's explore. Yeah, we have the microphone here. Okay, so I'll keep this here. So this microphone is said to be 2 meters long. If I can open and untie, I can show you the total length. So the total length of the microphone is said to be 2 meters. Which is evident, and it comes with a earphone as well, so that you can get live feedback of whatever you are recording. And these guys have taken a good care of making a first impression. So you can see the microphone with the windshield is already wrapped in a plastic wrapper. So this gives a quite good impression that they are taking good care to create the first impression, and I'm pretty impressed with the packaging of the microphone. So this is all about the microphone. I'll keep it aside, and then we'll keep exploring the box. We have this one spare windshield and one spare TRS jack, like TRS adapter, if you need TRS connectivity. And apart from this, what else do we have? Let me check. Okay, we have one collar clip. This is a spare collar clip, so in case if you lose your original collar clip, which is coming with the microphone here, so in case if you lose this, you have another extra spare collar clip as well. And then we have the warranty card and user guide. I think that's it, nothing else within the box. The first and the most important thing that I'm going to present to you is a live demonstration of this product and explain you the difference that is making to my audios. This far I have not been using any dedicated mic for the recordings, but now I'm using a normal earpiece that comes with a mic. I got this one with my Microsoft Lumia 535, but I had hardly used it till last year. And finally, check out the difference in audio quality while I'm using the newly unpacked JBL CSLM20 lavalier mic. I personally feel this to be a very good investment, as I can definitely use this for multi-purposes. So guys, there is another demo that I am recording at my terrace. In terrace the wind is generally a bit strong and there are other external noises. So when I do not use any dedicated mic, the noise is quite evident. But the moment I start using a dedicated mic, the noise gets reduced by a good margin. But if you are hoping for a quality video for your YouTube channel, you would not want this level of noise as well. So this is what this mic has to offer to enhance the quality of your audio in your videos a bit further and make it look a little more professional. Now that I have started using this mic for this video, is an improvement in audio quality quite evident. However, let us now quickly look at all the multi-purpose uses that I was talking about. For me, the basic and main purpose remains the same, is to use during my outdoor shoots and cut out all the outside noises and give my videos a better impression. Of course, that is the main one. But apart from that, it can also be used for many other ancillary purposes. For example, I can use it for dubbing my YouTube videos, number one. I can use it to take my office calls and attend on all my official meetings. Obviously, having a mic gives a better impression. And last but not the least, if you are into music, you can also use it to record your music. And the best part of this product is that with right kind of adapter, you can use this with any kind of smartphone, tablet, PC, DSLR, GoPro, everything. You just need to have the right kind of adapter.
I bought this product at rupees 799, which is definitely quite competitive to enter the market with the brand name of JBL. But at this moment, there is already a market leader present from Boya M1, and in order to beat that, it could have priced this a little more competitive. However, at this moment, there is no other competitor present in the market, and I personally did not use the Boya product, while many suggested me to go for that because it is already tried and tested. But personally, I have a little inclination towards the JBL products, and I think there would not be any significant difference, like performance-wise, there would not be any significant difference between these two. It's been almost a week that I have been using this product, and before closing this video, I wanted to specify a few cons of this product, which although are marginal but worth mentioning. Number one is the length of the wire. As I have already mentioned, JBL is offering a 2-meter wire, which can fall a little short if you are into recording music and all. And considering Boya M1 is already offering close to 6-meter wire, this is definitely a con from JBL. Number two is the noise cancellation technology. So I have noticed while taking my office calls, if I am not talking and I'm not on mute, it constantly catches the background noise, which is pretty annoying. But once you start talking, it decently cuts all the background noise, and I'll rate 7 out of 10, which is pretty decent for an entry-level mic. I think that's all for the cons. Otherwise, this is a pretty decent product. I hope the live demonstration and all other details that I have provided you in this video is definitely going to help you take a final decision. If I am personally asked, I will say go for it. But in case you do not have any price constraint, you can definitely check out other mid-range products available in the market to start off. But otherwise, this is a pretty decent product and you can buy it. Thanks for watching my video so far. Kindly like this video, and if you are here for the first time, kindly do subscribe my channel for more engaging contents. Thank you. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.